Hello there and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Beautylish Lucky bag unboxing. I have been waiting patiently for this guy right here so I can see what I got this year in my Lucky bag. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So I do have little Rowan down on an activity mat. He is my 8-week-old, and if you guys hear him kind of fidgeting around, I can only get this video done with him just kind of playing on there, so it might be a little bit loud, but I feel like this is my new, this is my new life. I have my Beautylish order right here. This is the Lucky bag. So these are actually available every single year the day after Christmas, so December 26th. They are essentially just what they sound like. They are a Lucky bag, a mystery bag. You actually don't know what products you're gonna get inside of them, and they are different prices. So there's a $75 one, and then there's a $150 one. I think in the $75 one, you're supposed to get $150 worth of products, and in the $150, you're supposed to get $300 worth of products. So double your amount that you paid for it. I did have to pay shipping for this box, however, so I think mine ended up coming out to about $90. So I'm hoping I got a good value for what I paid. So why don't we go ahead and open this guy up. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. We just have this little tassel right here, and it says Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspires us to create your own. The crane on this year's Lucky bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope your surprises make your 2020 a little more lucky. And we have the products. So let's go ahead and start here. Up first, we have from Pharmacy. This is a Sweet Greens little kit here. It looks like we have 3 different products in here. We have the Green Clean Makeup Melting Balm. I've recently been getting into this, and I do really, really like it. So this is the full size, and then it looks like there are 2 smaller products. We have a Honey Potion, a Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask, and then we have a lightweight moisturizer that is the Honey Drop as well. So this is a nice little bundle here. So I feel like that's a pretty good size kit right there. I will look up the prices. I'll try to find the prices on everything. So the next product I see in here is from Hala Frog, Kiss-A-Me Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. Okay, so here's what that one looks like here. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. So it says it's a wash that repairs, hydrates your skin. It keeps skin cells working their best and you looking your best. So massage into skin. So it's just going to be like, I think like a moisturizer, but like you can use it all over your body. So again, I haven't heard of this brand, so I'm curious to look that up and see the cost on this one. All right, and up next we have from Jeffree Star, this little bundle right here. This is a 5-year anniversary edition. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and we have quite a few liquid lipsticks in here. This is the Velour liquid lipstick set. So I think there are 5 total, and these are full size. So inside of here we have Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. So I'm guessing this was like a holiday kit that he must have came out with based upon the colors. I feel like they look a little holiday, but that's pretty cool to get a lot of liquid lipsticks. That's like a full set. I'm assuming this is like decently expensive because it is Jeffree Star. And then I have some bubble wrapped products in here. So this is from Good Molecules. This is their silicone-free priming moisturizer. I actually have this. I really like this brand. I feel like they have quite a few nice products. They are an affordable brand as well. So we have that. And then next up in here, ooh, this is cute. So this is from the brand Sugar Pill, Little Twin Stars Liquid Lipstick Color Duo. So 2 more liquid lipsticks. We got lots of liquid lipsticks, and these are like really fun colors. So there are 2 of those in here. Again, it's a little trio. So we have Kiki and Lala, Matte and Sparkle formula. I can't say I've ever tried anything from Sugar Pill, but these look really cute. And then we have a brush, it looks like inside of here. This is a Wayne Goss brush. I feel like I got a lucky bag. Based upon what I'm seeing so far, I feel like I'm pretty impressed with what I've gotten in mine. So this is the O2 brush, and here is what it looks like. I feel like I'd probably use this as like a highlighting brush. It looks really nice. It feels like really good quality. I got a Wayne Goss brush in my last lucky bag last year. I think I got like a pencil one. But this one looks interesting here. So let me know if you guys have tried the O2 brush from them. And then I just have one more product in here, and this is from Dominique Cosmetics. And this is a palette I do not have. I'm so excited, you guys. I actually feel like I am pretty impressed with what I got because I was nervous. I seen a few unboxings where people got like Anastasia palettes that I already own, so I was like nervous about it, but this is a palette I don't have. So this is from Dominique Cosmetics. Again, this is the Celestial Storm eyeshadow palette. So here is the palette and what it looks like. I did get the like mini, it's like the Celestial Thunder palette, I think, in one of my BoxyCharms, and I really liked that one, but I never ended up picking up this one from Dominique Cosmetics, so I'm actually really excited about it. Here is the inside of the palette. It's a very large palette. It has a nice mirror, really, really pretty colors in here, definitely very colorful. You guys, like I said, I'm pretty impressed. I feel like this palette alone, I think, retails for $42. And I'm guessing the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks and the Wing Goss brush are pretty expensive. So let me go ahead and see if I can't find the prices on all of the products. And I will come back with how much they cost. So someone was a little over his floor mat. He wanted to say hi. You want to say hi, Rowan? I feel like this video is just so relaxed, but it is an unboxing, so, you know, this is just my new vibe on my channel. The total of my box is $284 total for my entire box, so I definitely think I got a lucky bag. So I just set him down, but it's $284 for my total bag, so I definitely feel like I got a lucky bag. That's almost the value of the other one, like the 150 one, so I'm pretty impressed. You guys will have to let me know down below if you ended up getting a lucky bag, what you got inside of yours, what you think of the products I ended up getting. Let me know if you love any of these, because I don't have any of these besides the Good Molecules moisturizer and I guess the cleansing balm, but I feel like that's in a set, so I have the other two products as well. So yeah, comment down below if you ended up getting one or if you're excited to get one maybe next year if you are thinking about it. Sorry if it was a little all over the place. Like I said, I'm still trying to get the whole hang of the filming with a newborn. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.